This is the number 9 Seagull word study quiz. Number 1, soft. The blanket was soft and perfect for the baby. Number 1 is soft. Number 2, condemnation. She could not believe the condemnation she received from the court for her actions. Number 2 is condemnation. Number 3, column. He was a professional writer and had a column in the local newspaper. Number 3 is column. Number 4, sign. The sign told us to bear to the left. Number 4 is sign. Number 5, bomb. The country decided to drop a bomb in retaliation. Number 5 is bomb. Number 6, muscle. He was gaining more muscle every time he worked out. Number 6 is muscle. Number 7, haste. There is a saying that haste makes waste. Number 7 is haste. Number 8, solemnity. They could feel the solemnity of the church. Number 8 is solemnity. Number 9, designate. The teacher had to designate a class president. Number 9 is designate. Number 10, design. The student made the most unique design in art. Number 10 is design. Number 11, autumn. The autumn wind blew through the trees and chilled us to the bone. Number 11 is autumn. Number 12, hasten. We must hasten if we're going to make it to the movies on time. Number 12 is hasten. Number 13, autumnal. The scenery had an autumnal feeling about it. Number 13 is autumnal. Number 14, moist. The cake turned out moist and delicious. Number 14 is moist. Number 15, soften. If you put lotion on your skin regularly, it will soften it. Number 15 is soften. Number 16, resignation. The boss sadly turned in his resignation for his job. Number 16 is resignation. Number 17, muscular. The muscular man continued to lift heavy weights at the gym. Number 17 is muscular. 18, moisten. Sometimes in the winter we need to moisten our lips with chapstick. Number 18 is moisten. Number 19, solemn. There was a very solemn feeling in the air on 9/11. Number 19 is solemn. Number 20, condemn. A parent will condemn their child for making the wrong decision. Number 20 is condemn. Number 21, bombard. It is not nice to bombard in on someone without knocking on the door first. Number 21 is bombard. Number 22, resign. She was asked to resign from her position as CEO of the company. Number 22 is resign. Number 23, columnist. The columnist had an article printed in the paper every week. Number 23 is columnist. '24, signature. The package required a signature before it could be delivered. Number 24 is signature.